Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to draw basketball superstar Jayson Tatum of the Boston Celtics. Jayson has proven himself to be a superstar in the NBA, and a lot of people are starting to request drawings of Jayson Tatum, so let's get to it. Jayson Tatum played college basketball at Duke University for the Blue Devils and was the third pick in the draft to the Celtics. He won the gold medal for the USA team back in 2020 Olympics and was voted to the all-rookie team back then. He was one of the top recruits in high school basketball in the United States, and five-star recruit that is, and went to Duke and eventually landed in Boston. So let's get to it. Jayson Tatum, here we go. Find the center of your paper. Center of your paper here. We're going to draw Jayson Tatum's face in this upper area. So get your black markers out. Get the pointed tip black marker here. And we're going to start by drawing Jayson Tatum's jaw right here. So we're going to go down to a point. Up. So kind of this, it's more of a pointed jaw. Do a couple of ears. Up, up. See how these lines kind of flare out instead of going straight up? And then we're gonna make this connect kind of rounded to the other side. So go up. And this can be bumpy because this is the top of Jayson Tatum's hair. And down. Cool. There we have the head. Let's get the neck in there, down, down, around, connected. All right, let's draw the jersey, shoulders, armpit, armpit. And you know we draw our athletes kind of in a cartoon style, so have fun with it. Doesn't need to be perfect at all. So let's draw the waist. Come down to the waist. Straight across, and then we'll connect up to that armpit area, okay? And over here we'll draw a basketball. Let's do a basketball kind of up high, as round as you can. It's kind of hard sometimes, but as if Jayson Tatum's dribbling it. And we'll do fingers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, space, and a little thumb right there. We'll connect his arm, so kind of a muscle look, connect to the basketball there. All right, we'll draw the waistline here for the shorts, and we'll do some shorts here. So flare out on both sides, down to the middle, up, and connect. There we go. And we'll do a couple of little rectangles, two lines, little arches there for the ankle area. And the shoes, we're gonna do big shoes like we always do for our athletes. So here's the tongue of the shoe. Here's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 laces, 1, 2, 3 laces. And then a big clown shoe over to the edge. Bring it straight across. Stop, and then we'll connect this to the ankle. Same thing here. Bring the ankle down, come straight across, and up. All right, now let's draw the other arm here. So we'll do a shoulder, kind of this muscle look, bicep, and then we'll go up, come to the elbow, go up. We're gonna do a thumb right here, watch this. Curve, this finger touching the thumb, curve. Maybe you can guess what I'm about to draw here. Pinky, finger, finger, connect. You can see Jayson Tatum's holding up that 3, you know, he just made a 3-pointer. All right, so let's do the face here. So let's do a couple of circles for eyes. One circle, same size. We'll do some smaller circles in there. We're gonna leave those white for the highlights. Another circle, leave that white for the highlights. Connect that to the edge, leave that white for now. And we'll color this in black, leaving those circles white. As those white circles bring the characters to life, so we always like to leave those reflections in the eyes. Sometimes people wonder why I leave these areas or even have those areas in the eyes, and I like to do that. I like to get a baby blue color and just fill this area in with kind of a baby blue. It adds interest to the drawing. It's not just black eyes, not just black and white. It represents kind of the reflection of the lights in the stadium as they're playing. So there we go. So let's continue with the face of Jayson Tatum. Let's do a big smile here. So start over here, we'll do a dot and a dot, okay? So we're gonna connect this. This will be his top lip. Stop there in the middle. Go to that edge. Go down and around and up. Okay? Good job. Now his bottom lip area has this kind of bump. Another bump. And connect. Cool. And these are going to be the teeth. I'm going to color that in. Alright, so Jayson Tatum has a nice beard going on, so let's bring it down. I'm going to kind of scribble that in, make it thicker as we get down to this chin area. It's kind of a scraggly beard, to be honest with you. So it's okay to have these kind of bumps going on here. It gets real thick and bushy down at the bottom by his chin, so you can make that darker and thicker there. And he's got some mustache action going on, so it's gonna go around and down. See how that works? Goes around those lips and down. Alright. Jayson Tatum has some big bushy eyebrows too, so more thick ones. So we'll draw these guys. Feel free to pause if you need to. And then his hairline is kind of cool. It goes over, up, and then comes kind of a curve, but straight across, down to this block and in. We'll color this black in a minute. So right now, here's what we're gonna do. We got the outline of Jayson Tatum here for Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're going to draw an orange basketball. We're gonna do the green Boston Celtics jersey, number 0. Now I'm gonna color this all green after I do the 0, and I'm gonna come back with this, what we call a Prismacolor. It's like similar to a white colored pencil, and then I'm gonna draw the word Boston on top of the green. Green shorts, we're gonna do some black shoes, a little shamrock here, armband. So thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw, Jayson Tatum. We're gonna fast forward now. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel and let us know who you want to see next. Fast forward.